Hi, I'm James. I'm the event chef at Riverford. Today we're going to talk about kale, or more specifically, kale stalks. A lot of people throw away the stalks, but don't. They're full of nutrients, full of fibre, really good for you, and we're going to show you a great recipe on how to use them. Today we're going to make a kale stem and cumin pesto. So the first thing you want to do is get your kale stalks. Chop them up roughly. If you stick them in the processor whole, it'll probably just clog the processor. So just give them a rough chop. Really simple, probably takes about 5 minutes. Put the kale stems in the blender. Next, you want some toasted pumpkin seeds, get that in. Some toasted cumin, which has been ground up already, like that. Just get a clove of garlic, crush it, take off the peel and put that in. Add some olive oil, and you can blend it to any consistency you want. If you want a really smooth one, then just blend it for longer. Me personally, I quite like it. I quite like it a bit chunky, so I won't blend it for so long. And finally, finish just with a squeeze of lemon juice. I really like it on pasta. It's a lovely light lunch. Alternatively, you can use it on top of bruschetta. You can put it on top of pizza, or you can put it on top of soup as a garnish if you just tablespoon it on and swirl it around. So there you have it, a really quick, simple recipe, which means you don't have to throw away your kale stalks ever again. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our weekly videos.